So hi everyone, this is a new video. As you can all see, shed's changed again. Some new cages this time. We've lowered on birds. It's just easier with work. Obviously the birds take up quite a bit of time. So I've gotten down to a number now that I can, I can manage. And actually enjoy them, because it became more of a chore than a hobby. Do you know what I mean? I just didn't enjoy cleaning them all the time and not having time to enjoy them. But now I got them down to a number that I can enjoy them, and obviously look after them at the same time. So I'll show you some of the birds we've got. So these are new cages. We've got 6 doubles, so 12 in total. Obviously we've got the aviary for where the chicks will go. So yeah, we'll get started. So this one I thought was a cockbird, but it's actually a hen. It's one of my own chicks from last year. Nice intensive bird. Nice hen. So she'll be moved soon when I separate the cocks. We have this year's cockbird. And these are some hens. So we have 3 red agate mosaic hens. There's 2. An intensive red factor hen, flighted bird. And there's another intensive flighted bird. So we have 4 flighted birds in here and 1 this year's bird, which I think is, not sure, I think it might be that one. Check the rings. Yeah, that one, yeah. So that's them. In here we have another red agate mosaic cockbird, this year's bird. Beautiful bird. And then to the right, again, one of my own chicks. They have an intensive red ticked, well actually I'd say variegated because it's got a bit more black, but an intensive red cockbird. Nice little stock bird. Nice size in him. And then we come down here, we have another intensive cockbird. Clear. Again, really nice colour. And then here we have a intensive heavily variegated cockbird. This year's bird. And then in here, these are all flighted cockbirds. So once finished molting, they'll all be split up. So here's one cockbird. Obviously, he started on the colour feed a bit late, so that's why he's missed a few feathers. We have a nice non-intensive here. Another non-intensive there. Nice size, nice head shape on him. Another non-intensive there. There's some red agate mosaic cockbirds. beautiful birds. And then down here we have some more hens. So we have a nice non-intensive there. Stunning white wings. Oh, there we go. A shot of all of them. In here we've got 2 intensive flighteds, 2 non-intensive flighteds, and 1 unflighted non-intensive. It's a nice intensive hen. Non-intensive. A nice non-intensive with really white wings. Stunning. And then that's the more there. So these are the pairs for 2023. Hopefully if all goes well. I produced some nice cheeks. I never had the best season last year, obviously. We all know I obviously had a rat problem and everything, but that's all sorted now, touch wood. Doesn't happen again. So onwards and upwards. Obviously there's a lot of heartbreak in this hobby, as we all know. But yeah, you just got to battle through, haven't you? So yeah, these are all the birds. Got some really nice ones for next season, so fingers crossed. And then hopefully next season I can start showing some of the birds again.